2019 Mercedes-Benz C300. We're gonna replace the axle on the driver's side. Alright? So stay tuned, come on. First, I'm gonna remove the tire, then I'm gonna remove these two nuts, 21 millimeter. Caliper come off. Then I'm gonna remove this guy over here. Should be another. And this one right here. We'll see how much this line stretch. Okay. Do that. So there's another one over here. You probably don't want to remove the caliper because you want to put a flat screwdriver here to remove this guy. But now I'm gonna remove this guy and this guy. This guy, I'm gonna use a 1/4. Fit in there nicely. Okay. And T45. I don't need to remove this one. Okay. So now we're just gonna push. Here we go. Okay. Now we're gonna pull out the axle. So at the end, I just remove this one. The caliper, like I said, do it. You're gonna use it so you can remove the bolt that hold the axle. Now we're gonna go to the bottom, pry that axle out. If it's not out now, pretty much. All right, I'm gonna have to disconnect this. So I give enough leverage to pull it back and remove the axle. Now just pry it over there or pull it so it come out. Not much. We're gonna have to remove the cover at the bottom. Okay. Cover, we have 4 over here and this 4 in the back, 8 millimeter. Now that it's exposed over here, I'm gonna tap it over here. And you see that? Those are the teeth. So this shaft is supposed to stay there. Okay. Just tap it. It's gonna come off. There you go. Okay. So just this guy. You're gonna have to turn it all the way to the right, so you don't remove this guy. You could remove this guy, but you can make it just by turning all the way to the right. There's the guy. There's the axle. There's our guy. Sure, you're gonna ask why I'm replacing it. You can tell, right? Can you tell? I'm gonna tell you why if you don't know. Here it is. Hello, it's me, left axle. I'm done. I need to go home. Sorry guys, I did my best. Hannah. This one, make sure everything is Gucci. This is not a new one, it's rebuilt. They rebuilt it. I'll put it back. And that's it, guys. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. It's me, Stu, Kaboom. Shout outs to everybody. Love you. Where would I be without you? No Diddy. And you can catch me on the next one. Alright? Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Yeah, Stu. Broom. Yeah.